10 Bedroom Trends this 2020. Are you still looking for interior design trends worth trying for this year? Or do you want to do a complete bedroom overhaul? You have found a perfect place to help your bedroom goals this 2020. At Buildeee, we are sharing the top interior design trends that you can try and incorporate in your home. Number 1. Green is in. Adding a touch of nature in your bedroom is always a good idea. So, don't forget to add indoor plants in your bedroom for a fresh-looking appearance. It also helps to keep your room in a cool atmosphere. Number 2. Relive your royal dream with grand chandelier and enormous queen-sized bed. If you want to relive your royal dreams, adding a grand chandelier is a good start. It doesn't just make your room brighter, it also accentuates the size of the bedroom, making it look more enormous. Number 3. Brighten up your bedroom with energy-saving LED light. Decorating your bedroom with a good amount of light doesn't have to break the bank. You can opt for energy-saving LED lights enough to brighten up your bedroom. Number 4. Avoid dull-looking room by adding classic bed sheets on your bed. If going plain on your bedroom doesn't tickle your fancy anymore, why not add pieces with classic prints to emphasize the beauty of your own room? You can go for classic art designs or go for abstract prints. Number 5. Surprise your loved one with bedroom accents like fairy lights. Whether it's for your kid's bedroom or your own, adding a simple bedroom accent like glitter balloons or fairy lights is a good choice. Bedroom accents are easy to add, remove, or customize depending on your preferred bedroom theme or concept. Number 6. A statement headerboard makes a good piece. If you're looking for a good way to highlight your bed, adding statement headerboard is a great idea. Whether you're using a king or queen-sized bed, make sure that you paired it with a statement headerboard that makes your bed look more put together. Number 7. A clean and classy all-white bedroom is worth sleeping in. You can never go wrong with an all-white bedroom. It stays classy and neat so you can spend more time sleeping and enjoying the beauty of your bedroom. Number 8. Vanity area right beside your bed for quick cosmetic touch-ups. Whether you're in a rush for a meeting or school, accentuating your beauty is a must. Add a vanity area right beside your bed so you can easily put on your makeup. Having a dedicated vanity area in your room makes it more organized too. Number 9. Silver and white is still a trend. Silver and white are the classic you'll see in many interior design ideas. That's why it's not surprising to see white and silver accents used in bedrooms. The colors are a classic combination that complements when mixed together. Number 10. Fluffy and colorful carpet. A fluffy and colorful carpet is perfect for kids' bedroom. If you want to spice up your kids' bedroom, adding a fluffy and colorful carpet is ideal. It works as a PlayStation where your kids can play and roll all day. And those are the latest trends to watch out and consider this 2020. Thank you for watching. Follow Buildeee for more tips and advice about the latest trends and interior design inspo this 2020.